In today's video, I will teach you how to make a silhouette from an image using PicMonkey. Let's get started. To make a silhouette in PicMonkey, you have to start with a cutout image with a transparent background. You can do this in PicMonkey using the Remove Background tool. Make sure to convert your image to layer first. To do this, go to the Layers panel, and here, select the image layer. Now, click on the lock icon to convert the image into a layer. Now, you can use the Background Remover tool. However, this tool is a Pro feature, which means you have to upgrade to PicMonkey Pro to use this tool. Alternatively, you can simply upload the cutout image into PicMonkey. Now, go to the Layers tab and make sure to select the image cutout. Now, go to the sidebar and open the Edits tab. Now, select Exposure. Here, you have to bring down the brightness and contrast all the way down. And once you're done, click Apply. Now, go back to the sidebar and select Textures. Here, you have hundreds of texture options to fill your silhouette cutout. You can choose from color gradients to textiles, and from abstract textures to light trails. But if none of those choices suits your design, you can upload your own texture. To do this, simply click on the Add Your Own Texture button at the top of the Textures tab. Then choose the source of your texture. Once the texture is uploaded, you can now change the blending mode of your overlay texture. You also have the option to rotate it, flip it horizontally or vertically, and resize it using the size slider. You can also freely move the texture around by simply dragging and dropping it around the canvas. And once you're done, you can now click Apply. To change the background of your silhouette, make sure to select the background layer first. Now, you can either upload your own background image, you can also use the available textures in PicMonkey's texture library. Now, just play around with your design until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now save the image to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.